Welcome back to my channel. Let's open my present from mommy. This is my present from mommy, and he want me to watch, and he gave me this. And it's so mahal, guys.
No, baby, it's not that mahal.
A little bit.
Huh?
A little bit.
Okay, yeah, it's a little bit, but it's okay. You deserve it because you're a good girl.
Deserve it?
Yes, because
No,
you're a
I didn't deserve it.
Oh.
Play with this.
Oh.
You thought it's a food.
What do you mean?
You mean
Serve it, deserve it. It means you, because it's your reward for being such a good girl, baby.
I thought food.
Okay, so what is this? Tell me about this. Okay, so what do you call it? It's a kinetic sand. Can I read it? At the okay, kinetic sand, 3 colors, and create design, and it has a rainbow mix set. And turn it at the back. Turn it around. Okay, and I will read it. Oh, it includes, it's a kinetic sand, includes 3 castle container, and like that. So this is what you got. Okay, so
If you mix it, it's going to be turning purple.
okay, so are you going to mix it, the different colors?
No.
Okay, you will not mix it. Oh, so are you ready to open it?
Yeah.
Are you ready to unbox it?
Yeah.
Are you sure you're ready? Okay, let's open it.
So this is like the connected sun.
Oh, wow, Ate, help it, Leo. Wow. Oh, let's see one by one what's inside. What's inside? Oh, so that will be the...
This is the player.
Oh, what is that?
They,
It's the molder.
that's the one that I made.
And it comes with this
So
instruction.
This is the connected sun.
So you have the molder, the trick, the molder, the cutter, I think, and
Chop, chop.
oh,
Like chop.
for chopping. And what is that? Oh, so that will be it. It was inside the container, purple container. So, oh, can I see? It's my first time also, guys, to see. Ano ba yung kinetic sand? So,
It's like strawberry rock.
it's like a rubbery.
Strawberry rock.
So it's like rubbery.
Yeah.
Oh,
I chop it.
oh, you chop it. Oh, that's the red color, huh? So you can use it as a...
Yes, I told you it's strawberry.
Oh, okay. I'm so sorry. It's my first time also. All I know is a sand. So ito siya, guys. Kinetic sand.
Read it. It has opening.
Yeah, okay. It has
One
opening.
connected sun.
So the red is the first one you open, huh? So you have a chopper. So guys, ayun. If you had what they said it has 3 colors. So whatever the container cover color is, that will be the color of the sand, right?
Yes, I think this is blue.
Yeah, blue. And what color is that?
It's red.
It's red.
I like red.
You like red?
And also blue.
Blue. And what color is this?
And I like pink, but there's no pink in the base.
Oh, it's okay. But what color is this? What color is this? Look, Adriel, what color is this?
Wow, that's yellow.
That's yellow. Oh, so guys, matagal na niya yan sinasabi sa akin. And doon nagpunta kami sa Toy R Us. Hinawakan niya yan, pero binitawan niya rin. Pero I remember, and yan talaga yung gusto kong iregalo sa kanya. Are you happy?
Yes.
Are you happy with your kinetic sand? And guys, napakabait niya. She's such a good girl when you say she will not yet open. Like, she opened the other one yesterday and today this one. It's okay for her, one by one. Not all the time, right? So we can film it. And thank you for being patient, Adriel. Yeah, and you have a beautiful headband. Who give you that headband? Dave and?
And Tita Wee.
Yeah. Oh, so you enjoy? Oh, careful, it will not fall down on the floor, okay? Okay, make sure it will be just in the table, okay?
It can fall down.
It can fall down. Guys, it's my first time also, and I'm so happy kasi alam ko matagal na niya yan gusto. Matagal na niya yung gusto. Nagustuhan niya yung slime. Tapos, eto nga, naririnig ko to sa kanya. And she always watch this on YouTube. So, it's also my dream to buy her like that. So, let's start with 3 colors. And it's a beautiful one. I like it. Kasi, ano. And it has nice container. And it has cover. Kinetic sand. Oh, keep it all together. Oh, you will not waste any single, so put it all together. Oh, there's still more on the side. Oh, try to use the molder. And you need to wash your hand after playing, okay? Okay? So, ayan guys. That she's so happy for her about this. Use the molder. Put it all together and use the molder. Wow, that baby is happy. And siguro guys, nakaka-help yan for her reflex. Something like that. May nabasa ako. So para kasi since mag-school na si Adriel, para ma-exercise yung hand reflex niya. Char. Hindi ko sure guys, pero baka ganon kasi guys, di ba? Parang mga clay, and it helps her to be creative. Also, try your molder. Come on, try your molder. There you go. Wow! You make! Oh, you cut it. Wow.
Choppy, choppy.
Choppy, choppy. Oh, she's so happy. Masarap talaga guys sa pakiramdam, ano? As a parent, as a mother, masarap talaga sa pakiramdam na makita natin na masaya talaga yung anak natin. Yeah, so ayan guys. May pamphlet siyang ganito. Kaso guys, iba-ibang salita. Ayan. Alam nyo guys, pag may vlog siya, sabi niya, can I talk? May sasabihin siya. And guys, alam nyo, si Adriel guys, hindi nyo siya pwedeng turuan what she will say on her vlog. She will say whatever she want. And she will vlog whenever she want. And guys, matagal na panahon and I see na meron siyang mga vlog sa phone. And then I said, it's time for her na siguro. Kasi talagang gusto niya talaga. And she really say that she really want to be a vlogger. Adriel, you really want to be a vlogger?
Yes.
Really?
You know, in my tablet, I use it to vlog and dance and this. You know, make show.
Yeah. So, you really like to do this? Tsaka guys, hindi ko siya pinipilit. Kung kailan niya lang gusto. Kaya ngayon, kahit sabihin niya ng umaga, tapos sabi niya, inaantok siya. Kung kailan niya lang gusto. Tsaka guys, one at a time. Hindi namin siya yung, kaya guys, nung the whole of the dress, it takes us one whole day to do it. Kasi kung kailan niya lang gusto, walang pilitan. Kasi hindi maganda yon. Kusa niyang gusto. Right, Adriel? If you really want. And are you happy? Wow. How about the other color? Are you going to open the other color? Okay.
So, can I put it back?
Yes, also try to put it. Okay.
Don't move away from me.
Oh, which one? Which one? Sorry.
This one.
Oh.
Don't move
Are you happy?
away from me.
Are you happy? Okay, try to put it back. Oh. I'm so happy also, baby, that you're happy.
Don't ever move away to me.
Okay, try to get even a little piece. There. Use this.
Don't do that.
Okay, come on, so we can try the other color.
I'm just going to hold this up and play.
So guys, ayan. Meron naman ditong ibang color. Open natin. So, ito yung yellow. Ayan. Ito yung yellow. Oops.
That's blue.
And ito yung blue. At saka yan yung red. Ayan. So, ganyan siya guys. So, ingatan natin na mag-mix-mix siya. Right, Adriel?
I'm not going to mix it.
Okay. So, there's a molder. There you go. Wow. My baby is happy. Guys, nung araw, nung kapanahon, when it time for Ate Shania, Play-Doh is her ultimate happiness. Play-Doh. During her time, slime. Nag-slime din sa Ate Shania, pero guys, yung mga slime guys, kasi dumidikit minsan sa buhok ko. Put it back na. Put it back na. Oh. Okay. But make sure everything, ha? Everything. Return it.
Wow, 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 wow. Oh no! Don't get away from me!
So, it's nice to touch. It's like rubbery.
Rubbery.
Mm-hmm.
I like rubber.
Okay, make sure everything, you pick it up. Oh, press it, press it. Press, press. There you go. There you go. And use this to clean it up.
Oh. Press. I bet Shania is not a baby anymore. He's my ate.
She's your ate. Oh, everything. Clean it up.
But guys, I just want my hands so we can make another
Okay.
thing.
Okay, so you clean your hands. You clean your hands and clean the table. Now, you're ready to open.
Do this.
Oh, what color? Are you done with the red and you're ready to open the? What color is that?
Blue.
Blue.
Sand,
Okay,
sand.
slowly. Slowly, baby.
No.
Slowly. Okay. There. It's okay. It's okay.
I'm making this mess. Oops. Mommy.
What?
No. No.
It's okay. So it's the blue. So you're going to use the molder.
Yeah.
How about the other molder? Why you not use this? Try to use the other molder. No, put it like that. Like this. Like this. See? See? You made it.
I want to make shapes. I'll make shapes. Shake. See? I'm copying you.
How about the other molder?
So,
Does it feel good when you're playing on that? Does it feel good?
yeah. And it feels so. Can you? Did you want to touch? Touch it. It's like candy.
Wow.
It's candy.
Yeah. It's calming.
It's candy and downy.
It's calming. When you touch it, you feel good.
Wow.
Okay, you can use. Can you see what you make? Can you see? Wow. Wow. Chopper. Wow. Cutter, sorry. Cutter pala, guys. Oh. So that's what they do in YouTube? Wow. Wow. Wow, you happy? You happy, baby? Are you happy?
Yes. I'm happy.
Yay.
Yay! Let's make something. Let's go in my dress.
It's fall in your dress. Pick it up, okay?
So guys, I already finished the two colors, red and
Blue.
blue. So I'm going to finish this color. I already destroyed this one.
Not destroy. You open already. Okay.
No, I mean I destroy it.
Oh, you destroy it. Guys, ibig sabihin na nagulo na niya. Okay, you want help? Oh, there you go. So that's the yellow. Are you happy?
Yeah.
Do you like it? Do you really like it? It's really your wish, right? I know, you keep watching it on YouTube. That's why I promise I will get that for your birthday.
No, I'll build this.
What you will build? Do you want to build a snowman?
Build this one. Give me this.
So what you do after you play? You wash your hands?
Wow.
Whoa, the molder. Wow.
And there you were watching to open.
Kinetic sand.
And
I love
so-
yellow.
I love blue
You love blue?
and red and yellow and also
If you're good doing it, if you're good and taking care of it, I might buy you more colors. Has that?
like this.
Yeah, I will buy you other color. Like pink,
I want pink and blue and green.
green, and purple.
Yes,
Okay.
and also purple.
Okay.
And also red.
Yeah, you have red already. You have blue. So you don't have purple, green, and pink. We will try to find it. Okay? And orange.
Yay!
Yay! So, ayan guys. Super happy naman siya.
So, I'm going to build a trampoline. I'm going to build a trampoline. I'll build a castle.
Castle.
Let's make castle, you know. I'm going to build
You're going to build.
a
Going to build.
castle.
Okay.
Okay.
So, yun pala guys. Even me, it's my first time to see yung kinetic sand. See. And the baby is so happy. Oh, use this one, yeah.
It's going to be great. It'll be great if I learn how great I can make a castle.
So, what's your favorite color among the three? Your most favorite is?
Blue.
Blue.
And-
Like your clothes, right? Do I'm right in your birthday trivia that your favorite color is pink and blue? Yeah.
Oops. I'm going to make a castle.
Oh. Oh. Careful, it will fall down. Move a little here. Move a little here because it may fall down on your dress. Yeah.
Can I use this?
Yes, of course.
Let's say bye-bye.
Bye-bye for now.
Bye-bye for now.
And invite to those who are not yet subscribed to you.
Invite to...
I invite.
Mama, can you teach me how?
Okay, I will teach you how. Okay.
Not the week, but not
The last but not the least.
not the last, but
The last but not the least.
the last, but not the least.
Don't forget to subscribe
Subscribe
and hit the notification bell.
and hit the notification bell.
Yeah. Like and share. Like and share, guys.
And share that.
And
And
till next time.
until next time.
Watch out for my other unboxing of my other toys that I not yet open.
Yes,
And I will share with you all of it, guys.
yes. The
Okay.
ice cream, the salon,
Yeah.
the,
The kitchen.
the kitchen.
Mm.
I'll open it later with my surprise.
Yes.
Bye-bye.
Bye-bye, everyone. Love, love, love. Flying kiss.
Love, love.
Oh, bye.
Bye.